In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can incorporate live acting into your animation projects. So stay tuned. Hey guys, my name is Eon and welcome to my Start Animating YouTube channel, the channel that is specifically aimed at everyone that is new to animation. And if that is you, welcome, you are at the right place. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and also click on that little notification bell so that you can get notified every week when I upload a new video. And if you enjoy animation, then feel free to also sign up for my YouTube membership. There are 2 tiers, so again, just click on the join or in the description. There's a link, just go check out all the perks that you get for each tier and it will be great to have you on board. Now today we are going to look at how you can incorporate live acting into your animation. So I've done this in one of my episodes on my streaming platform, that the Godly Princess episode, and that one actually won first prize in the Real Animation at Works contest. So I actually incorporate live acting and I brought it into my animation. In this video I am going to show you how to do it. Now obviously the first thing that is extremely important for this to work well is you will have to create a storyboard as well as a animatic. The storyboard will help you when you film your actor to ensure that you actually film the right shots. Okay, so you need your storyboard, and your animatic is also important because you'll need to import the video recordings, the video filming, or your video files of your actor. You'll need to import that into your animatic so that your dialogue flow as well. So you'll need to film everything before you can actually animate. And so yeah, just a quick disclaimer. So storyboard and animatic is crucial for this to work. Okay, so basically what you do is just again, this video is I'm going to show you how to do it in Cartoon Animator. It does have a function that you can actually do this, or there's a workaround that you can do this. I don't know about other animation software if they have the same feature, so I can't talk about other software, but this is for Cartoon Animator. So basically what you do is you animate your scene without your live actor. Obviously now you'll know what to do because you've already created your animatic, so you do have the audio already for your live actor in your software. So if you know how to create an animatic, you'll have all your voiceover recordings already built, and then you export small clips and then you animate over it. So you will have the audio of your live actor already in your animation software when you animate. So it will make, when you animate your character, your animated character, you'll be able to know how to respond and let the dialogue flow. Okay, so basically what you do is you have your scene here and you animate your scene, and I'm just going to press play quickly. So you can hear there is the live actor's voice is in there. So once you're happy, you finish animating your scene, then what you do is you make sure everything is ticked, all the different layers. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now what you need to do is you need to get your parallax effect correct, like your 3D environment for your 2D animation. You need that to be correct, and then you select everything and then you export it. And this is where Cartoon Animator has a great feature. You go to render video. If I move up, you make sure it's a MOV file, transparent video, and then you make sure this export into separate files is clicked, so that what will happen, it will export every single layer as a MOV video file with a transparent background. And then you just need to make sure this fit to object size is not ticked, and then finally you get your frame size, your range, and then you export. So that is basically what you do inside Cartoon Animator. So you animate your scene, you get your parallax, your 3D environment correct, because this is important to export everything in different layers, because what you can do then later on is you can let your live actor interact in your 2D world, and I will show you that now. Okay, so once you are done with your animation and all the separate layers is exported, then you can go to your editing software, and in this case I'm using DaVinci Resolve. Now just a quick disclaimer that I don't have the original files of this project anymore, so yeah, so I don't have the video files anymore. I just got some images, so I'm going to use that. So I'm not going to use the video files, so it's going to look a bit awkward here. But so what you do is you import, if I show here, here is the 3D video. Basically this is only an image, but you import your 3D or your video of your live actor, and you need to film or shoot that with a green background. So you're going to need chroma to remove the background so that you can put it inside your 2D world, and then you will see all the different layers. Okay, everything is in separate layers, and that is what you want. Okay, so if we go back here to the editing, so basically I have imported all the different layers as video files. You will see they're all here, and then obviously I need to do it in the correct order, because if I don't do it in the correct order, then maybe your chair will be behind your background and you won't see it. So it needs to be in the correct order as well. And then you import your character. So just imagine, again, I don't have the original footage anymore, so this is just an image, so it's not going to look 100% correct. But then you import your video, you place your character where you want your character to appear, and then you can basically chroma it out, and there your character is in the 2D world. Now here, let me quickly show you why it's important to export everything in different layers. Because let's say you want your character to walk behind that chair, so then you can just layer this there, okay, let's just, I need to just move this one chair 2 up. I want it to be behind. There you go. Okay, so let's drag this there, and now my live actor is behind the chair. So now you can actually let your live actor basically interact in this 2D world. Okay, so now she can walk behind chairs, in front of chairs, she can walk between other 2D characters. So now you can actually place this live actor of yours anywhere in the scene. Okay, and obviously because you've done your animatic and you've got your video, your live actor already in your animatic, your timing will be correct, so you don't have to worry about that, and you also animate according to the timing, and everything will just work together. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Next week I'm going to do another video, but now I'm going to reverse it. Now in that video I'm going to show you how you can place a 2D animated character into a real world. So I hope to see you there. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe. Feel free to join my YouTube membership, and I will see you guys next week. So God bless and happy animating.